In this video we explain how RFID works. In these years, RFID technology is used in various fields, such as your door key, membership card, student card, bus card, for checking products in libraries, warehouse management, and the basic principle of RFID technology is to realize the automatic identification of objects or commodities based on the transmission characteristics of radio frequency signals or space coupling. The data is stored in the RFID tag. The energy supply of the RFID tag and the data exchange between the electronic tag and the reader are not connected through the electric shock of the current, but through the radio electromagnetic field. RFID is the abbreviation of radio frequency identification, which is identified by radio waves. After the RFID tag enters the magnetic field generated by the reader sends out a radio frequency signal. With the energy obtained by the induced current, the electronic tag is activated and then sends out its own code and other information through the built-in antenna. This is the passive electronic tag. And if it is an active electronic tag, after entering the magnetic field generated by the reader, the electronic tag will actively send a signal.